Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today is 26th of September and yesterday my capital became 9,600 and my loss was 9,000. But today I took a trade. I thought of taking a trade first because I had a meeting then. So Nifty opened here, gap down, and my yesterday's strike price of 24,850, it became in the money or at the money, and it opened at 80 rupees. So my buying price was 40, but it opened at 80. But unfortunately, I exited at 46. So I was thinking it would be better if I would have carried it. It would have been much better. But anyways, this was the first candle here, and I marked the high and the low, and in this candle it was becoming red, so I entered here. At this point I entered on the second candle, 790, and I kept my stop loss here and slowly trailed it to closing price in the second candle. My target was 1:1, but since I trailed my stop loss, it became 1:5. So I exited at this point here. 760 I exited because there was a lot of support at 750. I took 150 rupees and exited. And after that, market has been consolidating. And later, at around 2 p.m., Nifty gave a breakdown from this support. So I was waiting. I watched these 4 candles and I was thinking of taking a CE trade or taking a PE trade if this support got broken. So as soon as this support got broken, I entered in a PE trade. This was my stop loss, and 1:1, 1:2 target. But then I trailed my stop loss to the previous candle's low, and 1:4 my risk ratio trades. So I captured. This was my entry point here, 729, and I exited at 704, near 700. So I captured 400 rupees, and then 3 green candles formed, and then again a fall came, which I missed. So somehow I entered here at this candle because I was expecting another continuation of this rally, this fall. I was expecting a continuation of this fall. But as soon as I entered, Nifty went up, gave a pullback till here. My stop loss was somewhere here, and I trailed it down. And Nifty was not showing 1:1.8, so Nifty was not showing any sign of going down. It was consolidating. So I exited this candle. My entry was in this candle, and I exited this candle. But I exited here at my cost price. And after that, it gave a fall. A little bit came down. 10 points it came down, but I missed this 10 points. I exited here because my psychology was I was thinking of trying to protect my capital because my capital became 10,090 or 10,080 something. So I thought no logic in losing money here. So at my buying price, I exited. I booked a profit of 20 rupees or something. Because my psychology, I was thinking that I should keep my capital intact 10,000 it was. So today is Friday and no point in making it 9,800, 9,700, 600. And here a friend called me and he said, your yesterday's strike price, it became 200. And I watched and I was repenting, which I shouldn't have done. The strike price, which I thought of carrying yesterday, it came to 200. My buy price was 40, went to 200, 210. So, but that it is part of the game because I would have exited at the first candle or maybe here because here Nifty was consolidating. So I would have exited and no, I would have not waited for so long till today's closing because 11,500 rupees profit from a capital of rupees 3,000 was, I would not, it was beyond my limit. So anyways, this was the fall of today and this fall came due to the announcement of the pharma made by Donald Trump. So in my brain, in my mind, I was thinking of making my capital 10,000 so that I could start later with this capital. And for the next week, I will not trade. I will not trade the next week. I'll take a 1 week gap, but I'll keep posting the videos on YouTube. So meanwhile, happy Navratri to you guys, and to all the Bengalis, happy Durga Puja. And a break is needed, so I'll take a break and start again from fresh. I'll make a video of my P&L statement and analyzing what happened, what was my losing points, and how my brain tricked me into losing money. So I'll make a video on that whenever I get time. So that's it, guys. See you again later and keep crunching those numbers.